So long division can be quite lengthy. So there's a different technique which is called synthetic division, which we can use when we're dividing by a binomial. So our directions are the same. We still want to list it in two different ways, but they want us to use synthetic division now instead of long division. So what I need to do is I look at the binomial that I'm dividing by, and it's x plus 4. So the 0 of that denominator would be negative 4. So I'm going to type in, or write, negative 4. And then I want to write the coefficients of my polynomial. And if there's a missing term, I want to put 0. So there's 1x to the fourth, 2x cubed, minus 3x squared, 0x, and a 1. So I'm not writing any of the x's, I'm just putting the coefficients. I'm going to put a line, and this process is pretty fast. So I want to bring down the 1, then I want to multiply the 1 by what's in the box, so the negative 4. And that's 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. And I'm going to put that over here. Then I want to add up this row, and that is negative 2. Then I want to multiply negative 2 and negative 4, and that gives me 8, and I'm going to put that here. Then I'm going to add this row, and that becomes 5. Then I want to take 5 and multiply it by negative 4, and that's negative 20. Then I'm going to add these, and that is negative 20. Then I'm going to multiply negative 20 and negative 4, and that is 80. And then I'm going to add these, and I get 81. So I want to translate this back into the polynomial form, and it's always one power less than what we start. So because I start with an x to the fourth, it's an x cubed. So this will be x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 20 with the remainder of 81. So that's one way to write it. And the other way is with our remainder to put that as 81 over x plus 4. So this takes a lot less time than long division, and usually students like this a lot more. I know I personally like it a lot more. Let's do number 6. So because I'm dividing by x minus 1, I want to take the 0 of that, or the opposite, which is 1. I have to look for missing terms. I don't see an x cubed here. So I want to do 1, 0 for the x cubed, then a minus 5, minus 7, and 2. So if I bring down the 1, 1 times 1 is 1, add these up, get 1. 1 times 1 is 1, get 1, add these up, get negative 4. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, add these up, get negative 11. Negative 11 times 1 is negative 11, add these up, get negative 9. So again, it's a lot faster. So this will be x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 11, and it's a remainder of negative 9. Again, so we're always going one power less. We start out with one power less than what we have here. And then the other way to write it would be negative 9 over x minus 1. And that'll be our answer.